Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to enlarge or bigger an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll increase this image size. Select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and select Image. Now click on this image. You can customly increase this image top and this is right and this one left and this is bottom. In this way you can increase, decrease image size, and also you can increase image size with remaining same ratio. Press Alt and Shift key from your keyboard and hold it. Now increase decrease their image size with same ratio and see this. Now move it in here, yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.